Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you fine. Yesterday we completed a topic. I think all of you completed your homework. Show that to your mathematics teacher, and if there are any mistakes, rectify that in your notebook. Now, today let us go to a new topic. See here.
In our first chapter, knowing our numbers, already we discussed about the numbers up to 10,000s. That means 5 digits numbers. Now, in today's class, we discuss about more than that numbers. That means large numbers. Introduction of large numbers. Let me discuss. In this session, we learn about the large numbers. Our topic is introduction of large numbers. Here, some statements are given here. All of you read here. The distance between the moon and the earth is some value given, 3 lakhs kilometers. The distance between the moon and earth is 3 lakh kilometers. So here 3 lakhs is a new word. It is a big value. We learned up to 10,000s only. 3 lakhs value is new word. In the same way, the population of Telangana is 4 crores. 4 కోట్లు. ఇది కూడా ఒక కొత్త సంఖ్యనే. ఇప్పటి వరకు మనము వేల వరకే చదువుకున్నాము. ఇప్పుడు ఆ తర్వాత ఉన్నటువంటి సంఖ్య కూడా మనకు ఉన్నట్టుగా తెలుస్తూ ఉన్నది. ఇట్ ఈస్ 4 crores. Another statement also, see here. The distance between the sun and the earth is 15 crore. 15 కోట్లు సూర్యునికి భూమికి మధ్య దూరము. The distance between sun and the earth is 15 crore kilometers. Here crores, a new word. In the same way, population of India is 135 crore. 135 కోట్లు భారతదేశ జనాభా. See here, in all these statements, the numbers are very big, lakhs, crores, 100 crores, like that. Now, how we can identify these big numbers? How we can write? How we can write in words these big numbers? How these numbers will form? Okay? In today's session, we discuss about these big numbers, large numbers. Okay? See here. Actually, to count objects, persons, or animals, or plants, anything, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. These are called basically digits. These have only one place value. అన్నీ కూడా ఒకట్ల స్థానము మాత్రమే కలిగి ఉన్నాయి. ఓన్లీ వన్స్ ప్లేస్. Only one's place. So generally we call these as digits. From these digits only numbers will form. Okay? After this 9, there are some more numbers. Not only some more, infinite numbers. The numbers not stopped with 9. In these 9 digits, what is the smallest digit? It is 9. It is 9. What is the greatest one digit number? ఒకటే స్థానం ఉన్నటువంటి వాటిలో పెద్ద సంఖ్య 9. ఒకటే స్థానం కలిగినటువంటి వాటిలో చిన్న సంఖ్య 1, ఒకటే స్థానం కలిగినటువంటి వాటిలో పెద్ద సంఖ్య 9. These 1 to 9 are called digits. These have only one's place. Now, if we add 1 to this 9, then we will get one new number. Already we know that number but it is 9 plus 1 equal to 10. We call this as 10. 10 అని చదువుతాము, రాయడం ఒకటి పక్కన 0, 1 and 0. We will write that. These have two place values. Here this is right side place value is ones, left side place is tens. Left side place is tens. So here this 10 is with two places, ones and tens. Now these numbers, two place value numbers, are starts from 10 and so on, 11, 12, 13, so on, ends with 99. That means smallest two digits number is 10, biggest two digits number is 99. Smallest two digits number is 10, greatest two digits number is 99. Numbers not ends with 99. Again we have more numbers. If we add 1 to this 99, we will get another new number. Third place also we will get. That is hundreds place. This we call as 100. Generally, from beginning onwards, we know this number as 100. Now in this, the right side place value is ones, middle one is tens, and left side place value is hundreds. All of you know. Now here three place values, ones, tens, hundreds. This number is called 100. This three place values having numbers starts from 100, 101, 102, and these ends with 999. 999. All these have three place values. So three place values having numbers are 100, 101, 102, like that up to 999. Now in this 100 is smallest, 999 is greatest. So in three digits numbers, smallest and greatest we can write easily. Smallest three digits number is 100, greatest three digits number is 999. Smallest three digits number is 100, greatest three digits number is 999. In this way, numbers are going on. There is no limit of numbers. There is no limit of numbers. It goes to infinite. Uncountable numbers are there. Now let us go to next slide with increasing the numbers. Okay. Here if we add that 999 to 1, we will get one more number, that is with four places, 1000. We call this as 1000. Already we know. Now in these four places, place values, right side, complete right side place is ones. Next we have tens place value. Next third place value is 100. Fourth one completely left side is thousands. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Four digits numbers starts from 1000, ends with 9999. We are familiar with these numbers also. We learned in previous classes. So all these have four place values up to thousands. In this four place values numbers, smallest one is 1000, greatest one is 9999. That is 9999. That is smallest four digits number is 1000, greatest four digits number is 9999. Okay, if we add 1 to this four digits number 9999, we will get a new number, that is with 5 digits number. we are familiar with this number, that is, it is known as 10,000. In this, 5 place values, 5 digits, that are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Completely right side place value is ones, completely left side place value is 10,000s. Okay? These 4 digits numbers starts from, these 5 digits place values numbers starts from 10,000 and ends with 99,999. That means smallest 5 digits number is 10,000, this one, and greatest 5 digits number is 99999. It is familiarly known as 99,999, 10,000s place value. This. So here smallest 5 digits number is 10,000, greatest 5 digits number is 99999, that is 99,999. Numbers not ended with this 99,999. Again we have infinite numbers. After this also we have plenty of numbers. See here, if we add 1 to this number, 5 digits number, we will get 6 digits number. It is generally known as 1 lakh, oka laksha antamu. Okay? In this, completely left side place value is lakhs, then 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. These are the place values. Lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now, in this is the smallest one and greatest one is with all nines with 6 places, 6 place values. It is 9,99,999. Smallest one is 1 lakh. Greatest 5 digits number is 9,99,999. We can write this like this. Smallest 6 digits number is 1 lakh. Greatest 6 digits number is 9,99,999. Okay? In this way, we can continue the numbers without end. 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits, 8 digits, even 9 digits also, 10 digits also. There is no end for the numbers. You should remember this one. Now, by concluding all these, adding 1 to 9, we will get 10. Adding 99 to 1, we will get 100, 3 digits number. 10 is 2 digits number, here is 3 digits number. If we add biggest, that is greatest 3 digits number to 1, we will get 4 digits number, that is 1000. If we add 1 to greatest 4 digits number, that is 9999, then we will get 10,000. Then if we add 99999, that is greatest 9 digits number to 1, greatest 5 digits number to 1, then we will get one more big number, that is 1 lakh. Okay? It is lakh. If we add 1 to 6 digits biggest, that is greatest number, we will get 7 digits number. It is 7 digits. This number has 7 digits. So, it is 10 lakhs. If we add 1 to biggest, that is greatest 7 digits number, that is 9999999, that is 99 lakhs 99,000 999 plus 1. We will get 1 crore. We call this as crore, కోటి. ఈ 1 కోటికి అంటే దీనిలో మొత్తము 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ఇది 8 place values number. 1 crore is 8 place value number. Now if we add greatest number of this 8 place value, that is 9999999 plus 1, we will get 9 place value number. This is 9 place value number, it is 10 crore. Okay, అంటే ఇది 9 place value. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేటటువంటి 10 place value ఉన్నటువంటిది, that is 100 crore. In this way, large numbers we have in our mathematics, in daily use, in papers, in news, in our textbook, like in science, social also we use these large numbers. Area of India, area of country, area of oceans, ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా మనము ఇలాంటి పెద్ద సంఖ్యలతోటే మనం చెప్పుకుంటూ ఉంటాము. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ 100 crores. So you should remember these numbers and also write in your notebook. There are uncountable numbers. Okay, now let us go to how to write the numbers in words. ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం చదువుకున్నటువంటి వాటిని నంబర్స్ లో ఎలా రాయాలో ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ చెప్పుకున్నాం. ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్స్, నెక్స్ట్ టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌజండ్స్, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, then 100 crore, like this. Now how to write the numbers in words? Here this is the number. First of all we have to put commas. 8 7 1, this is in 8 is in ones place, 7 tens, next hundreds, next thousands, 10,000, next lakhs. All of you should remember the place values. So first of all take comma after hundreds, next thousands, 10,000s together, keep together, then comma, lakhs is separate. So write with commas like this. ఓకే, ఇలా కామాలు పెట్టుకోవాలి. 1 10 100లకు తర్వాత కామా, 1000 10,000 తర్వాత కామా, lakhs 10 lakhs ఉంటే అవి రెండు కామా సపరేట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు రాయడం సులభంగా ఉంటుంది. See here, so it is 5,60,178. You can write down easily. 5,60,178. Okay, you can stop the play. Stop the play, then write in your notebook. Okay, next go to another number. See here, again ones, tens, hundreds, keep comma, next thousands, 10,000s, again keep comma, next two numbers, lakhs, 10 lakhs. In this number we have up to 10 lakhs, so we can write like this. Now in words, it is lakhs and 10 lakhs together we write, so it is nothing but 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs. Next thousands, 10,000s together we write, it is 50,000. 50 tens, 0 thousands, so it is completely 50,000s. 300s place, 0, no need to write separately, 7 only, 300 only 7, there is no tens place value, so 7, 307. So 40 lakhs. All of you are observing or not? See on screen only. 40 lakhs, 50,000, 307. In this way we can write easily the given numbers in words. Now let us go to another number. See here, again keep commas after 3, after 2, after 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. We have in this number crores also. So write this with commas. Now it is in crore space, 2 crore. It is with 55 in lakhs and 10 lakhs. This is 10 lakhs, this is lakhs. You should remember. Okay. Now 50 lakhs, again 5 lakhs, 55 lakhs. It is 55 lakhs. Then there is no 10,000s, only thousands. 6,000. There is no 100, only tens, 7 tens. There is no ones. So 7 tens means it is 70. We write here it is as 70. So 2 crore, 55 lakhs, 6,070, like this. 2 crore, 55 lakh, 6,000. There is no 10,000 place number, so 6,000 only we write. Then 70. There is no hundreds place number, so only 70 we write. Okay. Next, one more number. See here, in this number also ones, tens, 100, keep comma. Next 1,000, 10,000, keep comma. Next lakhs, 10 lakhs, keep comma. We have here 2 places, that means crore, 10 crore. Crore, 10 crore. So here the number starts from 10 crores value. 34. We together write this crores, 10 crores and crores. So 30 crores, again 4 crores. 34 crores. It is no 10 lakhs number, only lakhs number we have. So 2 lakhs. There are no values in thousands and 10,000. So no need to write in sentence. 110 directly we can write here. So 34 crore, 2 lakhs, 110. 34 crore, 2 lakh, 110. Like this we can write the numbers in words. See here, another big number. Population of India on 1st January 2020. Population of India, our country, on 1st January 2020. This is the figure, number. First of all, keep commas. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next thousands, 10,000s. Next lakhs, 10 lakhs. Next crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. Now up to 100 crores the number given. First of all, keep commas like this. Then write. It is together we have to write this hundreds, tens, 1 crores. It is 138. Completely it is 138 is in crores place. Okay, in that 1 crore, 10 crores, 100 crores. Together we write generally 138 crore, 72 lakhs, 97,452. 138 crore, 72 lakh, 97,452. Like this we can write the given numbers in words. Now there is another model. Already in given the number given in words. How to write in digits? How to write in digits? See here. One more, another example. The number given in words like this: 986 crore. ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడి వరకు కూడా మనకు క్రోర్లోనే ఉంది, కోట్లలోనే ఉంది. సో కోట్లలో ఉన్నది మొత్తం అంటే ఇక్కడ హండ్రెడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కోట్లలో హండ్రెడ్స్, తర్వాత టెన్స్, వన్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. అవి జాగ్రత్తగా అక్కడ రాయాలి. తర్వాత 65 lakhs ఇచ్చాడు. తర్వాత థౌజండ్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు, ఇక్కడ చూసారా, థౌజండ్స్ 10,000 ఇవ్వలేదు, హండ్రెడ్స్లో ఇచ్చాడు. 28 టెన్స్, వన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. సో 986 crore రాసేటప్పుడు కాస్త జాగ్రత్త. 986 crore 986 crore. 65 lakhs 65 lakh. But thousands, 10,000s are not given. So without writing thousands and 10,000s, the number cannot be completed. So that two place values keep with zeros. Keep the zeros there. Then write 400. Then 28. So this is the number in digits for the number given in words. Okay, 986. This is 6 crore. 65 lakh 428. This is the number. Okay, all of you are following or not? Okay, easily you can write 986 crore 65 lakh 428. With commas, without commas, we can submit. Okay, like this you can write any number in words up to 100 crores also. I think your phone number, your father, mother phone numbers with 10 digits. There is a project I am giving. Take down your friends, your relatives phone numbers and write down that in your notebook and write the numbers in words also. This is your first project in your mathematics. Okay, now today's homework. It is in your textbook, page number 9 in 1.3 exercise, second problem and third problem. Page number 9, second problem and third problem in your exercise. Write the numbers in words. 4 ఇవ్వబడ్డాయి, అవి రాయండి. Write the numbers in figures. ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ లో ఇవ్వబడ్డాయి, వర్డ్స్ లో, ఫిగర్స్ లో, డిజిట్స్ లో రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది మీరు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద హోంవర్క్ ఫర్ టుడే. డూ ఎట్ హోమ్ and complete, show that to your maths teacher.